We're at our very last stop of the Vegas trip here on Vegas Strip at the end. Right across from Mandalay Bay is the Pinball Hall of Fame. We come here each year. It's so much fun. Got to come here not only because we enjoy it, but my dad loved pinball, so he would have loved this place. So come here in memory of him and have a good time together. So ready to head in and get our pinball on. This place is freaking amazing. Now, there are times we come here and a lot of the pinball machines are broken, so hopefully we have a lot more up to date than normal, but no matter what, we always find plenty to play. So, very, very fun. Highly recommend Pinball Hall of Fame on the Vegas Strip. Is literally between the Las Vegas sign where we line to get pictures and Mandalay Bay. So not hard to find at all. And as you can see, the whole wall says pinball. So, pretty little tiny. Let's do it. Let's get our pinball on. So here's the inside of the Pinball Museum. It is a huge warehouse filled with machines. Really, really cool. Like I said, a lot of the machines, I would say at least a third of the machines are broken. They normally are, but there's still plenty to do. Actually, a lot of people in here right now, so that's cool. But still plenty of machines to play. Definitely will not be bored. They even have some old vintage machines. They're really cool to look at, but I'll admit they're boring to play because they're early. We're used to crazy machines now, themed machines. Let's see if we can go over here and get some cool themed machines. Look at this. You want to play some old machine or you want to play some Jaws? I've never seen that Jaws before. I've seen the original one, but not that one. Very cool. So Elvira. Now it's our turn to enjoy some quarters, and we're gonna play it up. Pinball time. All right, our first game here at Pinball. Gotta do Jaws.
Y'all know me.
Ooh, shot it down the side on us. Oh, saved my ball, thank you.
I'll catch this buddy, it ain't gonna be easy. Bad fish.
Yeah, that's a pretty cool pinball. I've never seen this one. Yeah, there's some of the super vintage machines. Doesn't look like many of these are on, but there's some on the left side that we'll go by and see, but they have a lot more old machines this year than they did last year. This one's on. Pro Pool. Now, I will say the machines went up a lot this year. So for an actual pinball machine now, every machine I've seen has been $1 a play this year. I swear they were like 50 cents a play last year. For the new, like 75. Now it looks like pretty much every machine here is $1. So that's sad because it was really fun. It was really reasonable. A lot of families can come here, and now they made it more expensive, just like a regular going to Dave & Buster's or something. And suppose this is all for charity, so should have made it a lot more reasonable to bring a lot more people in. Yeah, some more machines. This is kind of a conglomeration. Some newer machines. Well, Demolition Man. Yeah, I guess that's not very new. You want to play it?
Yeah.
All right, Little's going to play some Demolition Man. Let's see how she does. All right, Little's playing Demolition Man over here. Really cool movie. Let's see how the action is on it. All right, Tiny's playing Demolition Man. You got these weird side flippers. They're really crazy, like metal. So lots of little ramps to go up. Got a little Sylvester Stallone, Wesley Snipes, and Sandra Bullock action going on over there. Here we go with the last ball, I believe. See how it goes. So this one was 50 cents a play, so that's not too bad. Older machine, so that's cool. I think that's fair. She's doing pretty good. She's hitting that ball. She's already at 30 million points. I'm gonna try an old one here. This one's called Robin Hood. It's pretty cool looking. Very, very simple, just like little bands everywhere. But I do like, they have a little card here at the bottom, and it tells you a little bit about the game. So this is the 269th one out of 6,000 that were built for the Lady Robin Hood. That's really interesting. Just skimming it, I don't see a date on it, but still cool to see it. That's only a quarter to play. All right, first ball on this old machine. Let's see how it does. Oh, there's little flippers all on the side. It's crazy. It's kind of creeping me out. Like an octopus. Oh, phew. And they have no power. They kind of just push it. That's about it. Okay, so that's what it did. Let's try ball number 2. It's gonna break that glass when that ball pops up. It's loud. So yeah, it's kind of a, you want to keep the ball on the side, I guess. Very, very strange. I've never seen a machine like this. So once it gets to the bottom, you don't have a choice. It just goes down. There's no way to save it at all. You're trying to just keep it up, bounce it as much as you can on the top, I guess. And I believe that little hole is the goal. You get 100,000 when that's lit. Got a little Simpson game going on right here. It's pretty cool. Actually doing really good on this one. I think it's a little smaller, so it's easier to hit the balls. A little itchy and scratchy action. Whoa. Multi-ball. Ooh. Ray's gonna try her some Metallica. Steph does in the Metallica machine right here. Let's tear it up. Wearing a Metallica shirt for inspiration. Game on. I think I'll be playing some Metallica music right now. Jamming out to some Inner Sandman or something. I am absolutely not a basketball fan in any way whatsoever, but I played this game last year and it was really fun, so gotta give it another go. It's only a 50-cent game. You hit the little orange thing here and see how many shots you can get up into the basket. So let's see how I do this year. It got stuck, now it's working in. Yeah, not doing good at all. Haven't made a single one. Nope. They felt bad for me. Oh, I got one finally. I don't want to hit 2. I already know it's old.
White man can't jump.
Hell nah. Or shoot. And in tribute of our giant creature we have at home, hanging over our TV, gotta play the Creature in Black Lagoon machine. This machine looks really fun. You can tell it's an older machine. It's only 50 cents. So, let's see how it does. It looks like a cool machine. Wow. Oh, there, finally. There, shoot up a slide there, okay. Coming around the side. Got him. Huh. Okay, wow, big one. Yeah, this ball really hauls ass on this game. You gotta be on your toes. As I think we learned on this trip, my Tiny loves clowns, so we found her a clown marionette machine here in the arcade, or I guess they have a little bit of everything here, not just pinball. So we're gonna check out this little clown. So you put 1 quarter in, push some buttons, and you get a little dancy action going. Let's see your little Peppy the Clown. Kicking. Oh yeah. Make him pop and lock. Just like Pakalika. Oh, it's singing, dancing to the Jetsons. That's hilarious. Oh yeah. Throw his hands up in the air. Oh yeah, look at that guy. He got some attitude with those feet. He's loud when he hits and kicks. Should be the tap dancing clown. And straight from Peppy the Dancing Clown, we go to Punchy the Clown by himself.
Which is 25 cents.
He looks terrified. Those townsfolk hate him and they treat him like he's the monster from Frankenstein. He must be a real mess of a clown. Yeah, this is one of the shortest, smallest little pinballs I've ever seen. Kind of like something you'd have like in a little man cave or something, but I guess it's a small machine for a small person. Got a bunch of clown sounds going on. Got not really much to hit in there. No ramps. A lot of little white bumpers, it looks like. And of course, you can't pass up Freddy. A little Freddy Nightmare on Elm Street game. There we go. Now in the boiler room. We got a multi-ball. Yeah, oh, we lost one already. Oh, but it's back. Multi-ball. Yeah. Yeah, it's a really cool little game. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of Freddy talking. Oh, we got 3 balls now. Wow. Kind of got, whoa, we're going for 4 balls. Holy cow. All right, this is a crazy machine. Loving it. We got 4 balls in play. I can't imagine. I can't even look up. There's so many balls here. Oh, lost one. We're at 3 now. Boom, boom. Wow, I'm doing really good on it. I'm impressed. Oh, 1 more down. 2 balls left. We're going to keep them going as long as we can. Keep them in play. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, something. All right. Tons of bonus on this one. All right. Yeah, a lot of elevators that shoot the ball up, so that's pretty cool. For 50 cents, I'm going to long play. I'm going to longer play on this than I did most of the dollar ones. Oh, we got 3 balls. I don't even know why or how or what, but I'll take it. 3 balls to play again. Wow. Oh, I lost all 3 at once. Wow, 96 million on that 1 ball though. So we love the Pinball Hall of Fame. It's run by, I wouldn't say, some older retired gentlemen who have probably worked on machines and know how to work on machines. So we appreciate it. But they have some funny rules here, such as there's numerous signs now. Use inside voices at all times. When we first walked in, there was a couple, a man and woman, that were playing a machine. I think it was a claw machine, and they won. And they were excited. And the guy was like, "Yes, yes!" And he literally got scolded. One of the workers here said, "Hey, you need to keep it down. Lower your voice." It's like we're in an arcade, not a library. But yeah, we go to a museum. We can have screaming kids everywhere, and that's totally fine, I guess, in this world. But an adult having fun with his significant other and being happy should be rejoiced and celebrated. But not here. He got yelled at for having fun with his wife. What a strange world we live in. Let's do it. Oh, we got a little national anthem going on.
The game is underway.
We're doing it. I'm actually not doing that bad with 1 hand. Ooh, I almost got a score. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, I hit it away from me, wrong way. Ooh, that was close, very close. Ooh. Send it away, send it away. Oh, now Tiny's got to get it. Right there. There you go, babe. All right, we had a call it at the hockey. My Tiny's wrists were killing her. My back was killing me. We never scored a single point. We played for like at least 10 minutes. No one ever scored, and we never probably were. So we just gave up. Let somebody else have some fun on it because we suck. But it was fun. We had a blast together. Tiny tried to get us kicked out by her yelling and hooting and hollering over there, being a crazy kid. But luckily, no one got us. We were hiding by the bathroom area. All right, found a giant Flintstone, and let's see what it does. It's a big ball.
Keep up the good work.
Thanks for the encouragement, Barney. Or was that Fred? All right, come down that hole now. I'm ready for it. Yeah, I was ready for that time. Yeah, these are really super slow clubs.
Put it down, babe.
We went a cave. Oh, went a cave again. Yeah, this one's hard. They're so slow.
Nice scores, Fred. You made me miss that one.
Yeah, Fred. So earlier I played one that was like a lever. These are like little buttons I push to hit the ball. So the ball comes down, you hit the left one. Ooh, 2 outs, not good. There we go, triple up top. Single. So yeah, it's like a double. So you hit the left side, and then you swing, out. And it gives me double. Okay, got a single. Oh, another single. I thought I had it out. Nice double up top. Yeah, I love this machine. Oh, I got a triple. Single. And you never know where the ball's going to go. It doesn't go straight most of the time. It can throw a curveball. I'm doing really good on this one. How many runs do I have so far, baby? What's my score? Top left. Ooh, home run.
7.
8.
8.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, double. Ooh, I went high. Yeah, that's a really fun game. I think it's more fun than the old pinball games, that's for sure. All right, we're gonna try a Ripley's Believe It or Not machine. We love Ripley's museums. We're gonna go real soon back to the one in Hollywood. It's been a couple years we've been there. So let's try out Mr. Ripley's pinball machine. 75 cents for this one. Ooh, oh yeah. Okay, that's been pretty cool. But look at the skinny board. Oh, spun around a little magnet. Yeah, it's a pretty good one. I like this machine.
Strange things in Africa.
Yeah, it's definitely getting busy in here now. Oh, man, a shrunken head. That's cool. Oh, you just sucked me to the back of this head. Oh, back in the head again. You see the shrunken head up there? And there's no way I can come here without playing the Munster machine. Absolutely love the Munsters. I'm a 100% Munsters fan over Addams Family any day.
I can't tell you how much we love this place.
Oh yeah, lots of Munster action.
Where's Eddie?
I'm hitting Herman 3 times, see if he does anything. Doesn't have a lot on the board. It's kind of an empty board. Like there's a mini game in the middle.
You'll do better next time.
A little South Park game over here. Pretty cool with all the characters on it. It's only a 50-cent pinball machine, so I'm gonna try and get a little low on quarters over here. When we're out of quarters, we're starting to head home back to California.
How'd you like a shot pot?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Language.
Come on now, children.
Do it.
Rat.
Very slow reaction to the flippers also on this one. We went into Kitty. Kill Kitty once, gotta kill Kitty 3 more times. Oh,
We gotta save the
went into
children.
Chef. Feed a Chef. Where's Mr.
We gotta
Hanky?
save the children.
Yeah, I can get some more food from Chef. You know I'm hungry. All right, we're back in.
That's not fair, damn it.
Whoa. I got Kenny again. All right, 2 more to hit Kenny's.
Here, let me see you.
Chef again. Thirsty here in the Pinball Hall of Fame. Decided to get a little drink. And what do we have to my surprise? What's this robot gonna bring me? Oh my. I feel like I'm in Baja, Mexico right now. That's where I found and fell in love with his Manzanita Soul. Who would have thought? Be having some in Vegas. I haven't had this in years. Yeah, I know they sell it at the store, but I don't buy soda. So I'm pretty excited. Shout out to Dynamite Pepper for my tiny.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we enjoy the small things in life. Try to make everything make us happy. It's worth it. Well, our time here at the Pinball Museum in Las Vegas is all done. Spent a little over 2 hours here. Only cost us 20 bucks. That included 2 drinks out of the vending machine. Those are $1.25 each. We lost a few quarters and a couple machines didn't work. So expect that. If the machine's not lit up, definitely don't put quarters. We know that, but some machines even that were lit up, put quarters in and nothing happened. So it just is what it is. I'm not chasing me down over a couple quarters, but we're heading out now. So we are leaving Vegas officially right now. We're gonna stop at one more little stop that we found from Justin's Garden Random Land. So we've never been there before either. So we're gonna see what this next stop is. And then that's it, and then our vacation will be over. So no more Vegas as of right now. We're out of here till next year. But again, one more stop on the way home, and we're done. But we are excited to be home and relaxing also. Thrills, chills, and good meals. We're out in Vegas. We're done.